closet, safe, bathroom. Try not to move too fast. It'll make you dizzy. Commode has its own room. Need I repeat? This is Sandals Grenada. Peace. This is the luxury Oceanfront Suite. Disregard my junk. I should have did this yesterday before I unpacked and fully stocked fridge. And they restock it daily. There's plenty of different sodas. Sandals only serves the best coffee, which is, y'all know already, Jamaican Blue Mountain, absolute best. All right, so these shutters open up, and as do the windows, and they also close for complete privacy. Again, please disregard my bed. Nice little quiet area, beautiful view. Again, shutters close in the night for privacy. And I just came in off the balcony, but I realized I was showing you me. And I should have been showing you outside what the view is. I have more problems with these locks, but I'm doing a video, trying to make it quick. Anywho. That's what's happening out here on the balcony. This is the Pink Gin Village. Again, I have an oceanfront suite, luxury suite, and it goes up from there to club level and butler level. And that is the beautiful view of Grenada. And Sandals doing their thing. Peace and blessings. We'll check in with you later.